Now, Indian students are about to learn electronics on an Indian chip for the very first time. And before we get into the further details of this particular story, very important for me to share with you, Cipher 2026 is back. IBM Bob presents Cipher 2026. It is India's biggest AI summit and expo. If you want to listen to Vatsal Seth, Lakshmi M. Iyer, Navya Naveli Nanda, well, you need to be at KTPO, Bengaluru in October of this year. That and a lot more coming your way because IBM Bob presents Cipher 2026. And now for the rest of the details. Mindgrove Technologies, an IIT Madras incubated fabless semiconductor company, has partnered with Chennai-based edtech startup ATUM X to supply developer boards to school students. Now the board is called AGNI, which means fire, and this time it is the fire of indigenous technology, which is truly on fire. A new Indian developer board bearing that name is taking semiconductor learning into government schools. Fabulous. It is actually giving students hands-on access to a commercial-grade Indian designed chip rather than learning exclusively on imported development platforms. Now, developer boards are PCBs fitted with USB ports, pins, memory, and other components that let users test and build with chips directly. Now, under the partnership, Mindgrove and ATUM X will supply developer boards to 1,000 students across 5 government schools in Chennai. Now, the rollout is supported by the Atal Innovation Mission. Each AGNI board runs on Mindgrove's secure Internet of Things system on chip. Sorry, it's not instead of things, it's Mindgrove's secure Internet of Things system on chip. Apologies for that. Now, these boards are paired with a student-friendly integrated development environment built by ATUM X to help students actually learn how to work with the chip itself. Mindgrove co-founder and CEO Shashwat TR told Business Line that developer boards are standard chip design collateral the company already has to provide to customers regardless. But he sees a bigger opportunity here. Developer boards can become an unexpected long-term revenue stream on their own, separate from chip sales. He also noted this marks the first time Indian students can train on an indigenous board paired with an indigenous chip. Now, instead of foreign alternatives, of course. ATUM X co-founder and CEO Akash J stated that a student who learns on an Indian chip today could carry that same chip through college projects, patents, and eventually a startup. Wonderfully refreshing. He called AGNI the board more than a microcontroller in a classroom. At its heart, the AGNI board is powered by Mindgrove's secure IoT S2401 system on chip. It is India's very first commercial-grade, high-performance microcontroller. Designed in-house at IIT Madras, it runs on a 64-bit, 700 MHz RISC-V Shakti C-class core. It is built on a 28 nanometer node with peak power under 200 milliwatts. Hence, the chip imbibes security right into the silicon with hardware cryptographic accelerators, secure boot, and on-chip secure memory. So, as a development platform, the board packs 94 functional I/O pins, onboard JTAG debugging, and support for major peripheral interfaces like UART, SPI, and PWM. Operating natively on real-time operating systems like Cipher, and RTOS, AGNI gives engineers and students a complete hardware-software testbed to build low-latency, tamper-resistant IoT applications directly on domestic silicon. ATUM X CEO also feels it is the first chapter of India's indigenous technology story, written by students themselves, which of course then brings us to the front page take. Now, this is definitely a very smart, low-cost way to build a domestic chip ecosystem from the ground up. Giving Mindgrove's chip to students before foreign rivals reach them is definitely a very real shot at making an Indian chip the default choice. It could actually become more than an alternative for an entire generation of engineers, probably. And if that familiarity translates into real-world adoption, India's push for sovereign AI might as well reach greater insights with such chips. that the engineers, of course, of the future learned to build with. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.